Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X7 cabin air filter. Keeping your cabin air filter fresh is crucial for breathing clean air inside your vehicle. This simple do-it-yourself task helps remove dust, pollen, and unpleasant odors, ensuring a more comfortable driving experience. You can typically complete this replacement in about 15 minutes, saving you time and money on dealership visits. Before we begin, ensure you have a new set of cabin air filters and a T20 Torx screwdriver. First, slide the passenger seat all the way back to give yourself plenty of room to work comfortably. Next, look directly underneath the passenger side glove box to find the underbody panel that covers the filter housing. This panel is secured by a few fasteners. Now, carefully remove the two twist lock fasteners on the underbody panel by turning them counterclockwise. Gently pull down the panel, disconnecting any attached wires or hoses. Next, use your T20 Torx screwdriver to remove the two screws securing the filter housing cover. Once the cover is off, pull out the two old filters, noting their airflow direction. Install your two new filters, ensuring their arrows point towards the front of the vehicle. With the new filters in place, reattach the filter housing cover and secure it with its two T20 Torx screws. Reconnect any electrical connectors or hoses, then align and reattach the underbody panel, securing it with the two twist lock fasteners. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. This simple maintenance improves air quality, reduces allergens, and eliminates odors, making every drive more pleasant. Replace it every 15,000 miles for optimal results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.